Sun gazing time has started few minutes late, and the session still going on. I have come out staircase exercise, breathing exercise. Today I have done some modifications, hot water and then gargles and the jalneti. So nasal passage is cleared, the stomach is cleared, throat is cleared rather. Throat and nasal passages are cleared, so breathing quality has improved, breathing system has improved, the respiratory system has improved. Now it is sun gazing time. Be there for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I am gazing through the phone only. Otherwise, gazing, if I try to gaze, it is possible. Yes, it's not yet white, it's still yellowish in color. So gazing is possible when the sun is yellow or orange. When it is white completely, then it will become difficult to gaze. This is what I want to say in this small sun gazing video. I will be sharing it in the FFE group. Yesterday we had a practice buddy session. 3 topics were given. One was on parenting, one was on education, and one was on gender equality. I have chosen the education part. Same moderator which previous week, last week, same moderator was there, and participants were also equally distributed. We were 10 in number. Initially there were 7, then 8, and then 10. There was another group they are trying to make, where they want to create a separate platform for speaking, on creating a platform for speaking. I am now moving from sun gazing to other side, and the topic was half an hour was given to us to speak, and everybody participated. I was in favor of. They say, Amazon says that talent is more important than the degrees. Next future is that if you have talent you can earn, if you have degrees you cannot earn. I was of the opinion that degrees are required, talent can be a byproduct, talent can be produced. If talent is there, degrees cannot be produced easily. Then there is a age, there is a limit to understanding. You can see behind the construction work going on today, my face is not visible. I am on the other camera, the other side. So the construction part is going on. I have to do like this, reverse, then only my face will be visible. I am not very technically expert in showing you both the things simultaneously. So I'll stop here at this point, and I'll continue doing some more videos. I have already done 4 videos. This is the 5th one. 4 I'll be uploading through YouTube only, because if the length is more, it does not accept. This is what I am feeling. I am already yesterday attended a course. He was talking of making some thumbnails and the small topics, the headlines or the hashtags. So those things were discussed. Those things I'll try to implement. But now this is the fluency part. So here only concentration on speaking. So I am still trying to speak and complete this first video. It is almost going to be 5 minutes shortly. 4 minutes have already gone. So I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I am part of this FFE group, and making videos on regular basis, trying to speak, trying to adopt whatever I am learning, trying to implement all those phraseology, idioms, and the grammar part and the beautifying part. I am participating all the Wednesday sessions, all the Thursday sessions, and the future sessions also I will be trying and participate in those sessions. Those who are creating separate platforms should keep in mind that they should come and participate in these sessions. They are more formatted sessions rather than uh, going and creating a different group and then participating in those sessions thinking that this will give better results. Both are okay, you can try, there is no harm in trying, and you can make changes in your learning pattern, in your pattern where you can learn. Another train has come. This train is coming, say, West Delhi and Rajouri Garden. It's going to Tagore Garden is the next station. Previous station was Rajouri Garden, and this is a blue line where I am standing. It's just passing from near to my residence. This is on the main road. This is main Najafgarh road, which is going to Najafgarh, and this place is Rajouri Garden. Highly uh, density of traffic is more on this road. Still early morning, so maybe rush is not there, but as the day progresses, 9 o'clock it becomes difficult. Just now one cat I have seen passing from this side. So here I'll stop. Almost 6 minutes have gone. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you and bye.